everybody, it's Dr. Mark with US 1061, 757 Auto Events and your Coastal Virginia Auto Show. We're out here at the Hampton Roads Dealers Association International Auto Show. I'm out here with Don Aggas. Don, what did you bring out today?
1964 Ford Falcon Futura.
So how long have you been in this car?
1992.
I got you. So 1992, you've done a few little upgrades and modifications on this thing. What have you done to this thing?
Just basically interior. The interior was like it when I bought it. Just functional things.
Gotcha.
Like tires and, but that was all done to it, really.
Gotcha. Kind of keeping up with maintenance.
Right.
Now this thing has a swivel seat on the passenger side. Did that come like that? Or
No,
is that...
it came out of a Chevy Laguna.
So that's some of the custom things you've done to this thing. All right. And then horsepower and the engine and all that other stuff?
It's a 289 V8 stock, 2-barrel.
Gotcha, and then we just work on keeping it up. It's got a carburetor, 2-barrel, 4-barrel?
Carburetor. It's painted back in 1988.
Gotcha.
So it's been a 30-year-old paint job.
Sure. And then automatic transmission in this thing?
It's a 3-speed converted to the 4.
There you go. And
so
then,
it looks like a 14, but it's only a 3-speed.
There you go, gotcha. And then this thing's been pretty reliable for you. You drive this thing around pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it's just a show car. I don't drive it too much on the road.
Gotcha, kind of weekend
warrior type thing.
There you go, fantastic.
Doesn't see much weather.
And then also this thing was out at the Coastal Virginia Auto Show, so we had a good time with that show.
Right, had a great show. That was a great show.
Yeah, we had a good time there, so we appreciate you coming out and supporting that. Now again, we are out here, we're competing for the ultimate muscle car. I mean, you got some other cars out here you're competing with. What do you feel like?
Well, I'm not really a muscle car. I mean, can't compete with a lot of these muscle cars.
That's right.
But
it's that classic feeling, though.
It runs well.
Yeah.
It runs well.
Gotcha. So again, you are from what part of Virginia here?
Virginia Beach, Virginia.
Virginia Beach, all right, so nice and local guy here.
Right down 2 miles down about 5 miles down the road.
Fantastic, yes, that's easy stuff. All right, so you're going to be out here this weekend, January the 7th through the 9th. It's the Hampton Roads Dealer Association International Auto Show. You guys come by, check out Don, check out his car. You get to vote for it, doesn't cost you anything to vote, and somebody who's going to win this thing's going to win $1,000, and one of you guys who are voting, you have a chance to win $500, okay? So anyways, we appreciate you guys listening up. Don, nice to meet you, brother. Thank you for your time.
Nice meeting you.
We'll see you guys on the road, okay? Bye, guys.
Thank you much. Appreciate it.
Bye.